Hello YouTube Boss Maki here para sa Encuentro Creepy TV. So bago tayo magsimula, shoutout ko muna yung mga nadya sa baba. Si Kudeng, si Squeezy Chubbs, Miss Mary, Mami Shine, Mr. Ganador Mosikero, mga Ismael, yan. Mga Team Green Minded. Mukhang may maano sa atin may mga gumagaya sa Team Green pupunta sa ibang live anyway, hindi naman natin yan So tingnan natin ito, video ni Darkest Secret. So mainit-init pa, ilang hours lang ago. So tingnan natin kung ano masasabi natin. Let's go.
A dog chased by something out of this world. A monster invisible to the human eye, but that the camera managed to capture. And
May subscribe nga pala kayo, Darkest Secret. Lilink ko na lang yun, yung channel name niya. Yung channel link niya.
even a phenomena in the first positions that occurred so quickly that it will make you wonder how many times something paranormal happened in front of you, and you never realized it. My name is Leonore Clay, and this is The Darkest Secret. Today we present 10 horror videos found on the internet that will make your blood run cold. Number 10.
Pero bago tayo magsimula, please like, share, and subscribe muna kayo. Salamat.
Do ghosts only unsettle us? Are we the only ones who can be terrified by these things? Well, apparently not. Because the video we started with shows how something apparently
May usap,
paranormal
putang ina.
follows a little dog several meters to scare it.
Katakot Takot yung aso Takbo yung aso Nagmamadali yung aso. Nakikita ng aso Pero nawala siya bandang huli.
From the beginning, the animals seemed somewhat uneasy about what appeared on the scene. A kind of whitish fog that, as incredible as it may sound,
Ito hindi ko naman dinidiscredit na malay mo nga naman totoo yan. Hindi naman natin din alam kasi kuha sa ibang bansa yan Pwede naman maging totoo yan kasi alam naman natin na yung mga spirits pwedeng mag-form mga pang-usok-usok lang yan transparent, usok. So, hindi ko naman dinidisclose yan na malay nga natin, totoo yan. Pero, di ba yan? Di ba may sasakyan dyan na biglang nagpausok? Nag-start yung sasakyan tapos may usok na Sa akin lang yun palagay ko lang yun. Pero, malay naman natin, totoo yan. Pero tingin ko, parang, kasi nawala siya sa bandang dulo Parang naglaho na siya. Parang nalusaw na. Pero nakikita siya ng aso. Yun na nakakapag dun Anyway, nakikita naman talaga. Kahit sa camera, nakita naman Malay natin, baka may nagpaandar na sasakyan dyan. Usok. Mausok yung sasakyan. Hindi natin alam. Pero malay nga natin, totoo rin. Thanks.
was chasing it. In fact, the dog turned and didn't see anything. Comment what you think below. Number 9. From the province
Kuya
of
Ahmed.
Tucumán in Argentina, Rafael Soria, a regular subscriber of the channel, shows me this video.
Yan. Uy, nag-cycling sila. Mountain bike. Ano nangyari? Ha? Ala. Slow internet. Bayan.
We see a couple of cyclists who were returning to their town after a long day of bike riding. It was so dark that only their lights illuminated their way back until they passed by something that after a few minutes made them conclude that it was a ghost.
Asan? Uy, may dumaan nga ano. Hindi kaya kasama nila yun?
We can barely notice it.
Uy, puta ina, may nakatayo nga oh. Buisit. Slow natin ah. Playback speed 0.5.
We can barely
Oh
notice.
shit. Niyupa ko. Ayun oh. Mga estudyante pa yata ng damit. Ayun oh. Oo nga no. Oo nga no. Tingnan natin yung ano.
Notice it,
Tak, ina, may nakatayo nga oh.
but we can see a silhouette. It looks like a woman, right?
Oo nga oh.
The cyclist even greets her.
Putang na binati
However,
pa.
after a few seconds, they realize the senselessness that had occurred. Think about it.
Putay na. Ako makasalubong ng gano'n, pas babatiin ko. Tapos pagtingin ko sa likod, wala na. Inayupo. Tatakbo ko na yun. Ano ba, iwanan ko ng bisikleta, tatakbuhan ko na yan. Buisit. Pero tingnan muna natin yung ano. Kasi binati siya eh. Baka naman naglalakad dito.
A woman walking alone at night,
Oo nga, walking alone at night.
without a flashlight or anything in her hands, on a steep terrain in the middle of a mountain, and where there is nothing for miles around. In fact,
Okay. So, confirm, naglalakad siya. Nakita nila naglalakad na walang plastic. Baka naman sanay siya talaga. Sanay siya doon. Siguro taga ron siya. Eh, kita naman na tao kasi binati pa niya eh. Binati pa nila eh. So, ibig sabihin, solid na nakita talaga nila. So, hindi natin alam. Baka mamaya, diwata ng kagubatan yun. Anyway, pero sa akin, parang passers-by eh. Parang sa akin, passers-by siya na taga dyan siya. Anyway, kung totoo naman yan, edi ano tayo magagawa dun? Yun ang claim nila eh. Pero sa tingin ko, ano to? Taga dyan yan na naglalakad.
any wrong step could be fatal. So as the man says, could it have been a ghost? Does it make sense for a woman in everyday clothing to be walking alone like that in the dark on a hillside? Tell me what you think.
Pwede rin pwede rin passers-by lang. Ayan kita nyo. Tumabi pa nga eh. Sabihin, makamasagasaan siya. So, tao ito. Sa akin palagay. Tao ito na naglalakad lang din yan. Siguro taga dyan siya.
Number 8. For Juan Torres, one of our subscribers, what you will see below is perhaps the greatest fear that a mother could have with her child. Literally having evil and unknown darkness surround or stalk them. The boy was playing with his cousin, and his mother was recording them. Let's see if you can see for yourself
Alin?
what is truly disturbing here.
Naku, bata. Anong nangyari?
Did you realize it?
Oh, teka lang.
We see how practically attached to the minor, a disturbing dark figure emerges. A shadowy being with bright eyes that can be captured by the camera. He gets up almost as if he wanted to fly off.
Eh, putris.
How does it appear there? How come no one noticed its presence? Look, it's huge.
Oo, may ilaw pa yung mata.
What is your opinion on it?
Sige nga,
What do
tingnan
you
natin.
think it is?
Uy, puta ina. Meron nga.
What is your opinion on it? What do you think it is?
Tingnan natin. Slow mo.
It's huge. What is your opinion on it? What do you think it is?
Uy, tak-inang yun.
Numbers.
Shit. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung itim na yun, ha. Pero, ano kasi sa panahon kasi ngayon, hindi ko naman sinasabing fake, ha. Pero sa panahon kasi ngayon, kaya na ipatong yan, eh. Para magmukhang magmukhang scary. Di ba? Pero malay naman natin, totoo yun na na-captured nila yun na may itim dun. May ilaw pa nga yung mata, no? Kung ako nakakita, no? Takbo ko na yung dalawang bata na yan. Parang takbo ko na yan. Eh, siguro hindi nakakita kagad nung na-review na lang nila. Tsaka nila nakita. Kung totoo yun, ha. Pero kung hindi naman totoo yan, eh, wala yan. Parang parang pinatong lang. Tsaka kung makikita niyo yung texture nung parang siya eh. Mas malinaw siya dun sa pinaka-video eh. So, hindi siya mahalata kasi kulay itim siya. Pero kung titingnan mo, parang mas malinaw pa siya dun sa video eh. Ayun, no? Iba yung texture niya, iba yung niya. Kita niya yung mas mataas yung texture niya dun sa video. Tama ba? Texture. Maaari naman totoo ito. Pero maaari din naman ipinatong lang. So, pili kayo. Bahala kayo.
Number 7. The following footage was made by a man who, after seeing giant footprints in the vicinity of a forest, installed a camera there to see which creature they belong to.
Naman to. Walang iya ka mo si Kero. Ang ba pinagsisend mo sa akin? Uy, may naglalakad. Tapos, uy, transparent. Wala.
The subscriber who sent us this recording was impressed by its form. From the darkness, a bulky and translucent figure begins to emerge, and as it gets closer, it takes form until it can be seen clearly. Some suggest it could be an animal. I am more inclined to believe that it is fake. What do you think?
Unang red flag. Bakit may camera dyan? Anong dahilan? Bakit may camera dyan sa gubat? Gubat ba to o likod bahay? Hindi ko alam. Pero para sa akin, ano ito? Fake ito. For me yun minsan mag-ano ako ng video na kung paano maglagay ng ganyan. Kaya naman yan. So, ang tanong ko lang dito, bakit may camera siya? Bakit parang may nakaabang na camera? Ano yun? Alam niyang may lilitaw dyan? At saka para saan yung camera? Kasi kung totoo itong mga ito, hindi mo naman alam kung saan magpapakita yan, kung kailan magpapakita yan. Bakit eksakto yung focus ng camera mo dyan, na dyan naglalakad? So, for me, red flag ito. Sa akin yun, Ewan ko sa inyo.
Fake, or evidence that the paranormal really is out there.
Sir Gary!
Number
Basta.
6. What would you do if after recording a casual video and reviewing it, you detected something unusual, something that you didn't see, but that couldn't have gone unnoticed? That happened to the boys that you now see on the screen. They were on a beach in Chile. They were recording near the south of that country. Everything was normal. But when they saw the recording, they thought they noticed a chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee? O ano paranormal dun? Oh.
Do you notice it? The first impression is that it is an ape that is there next to the tree. However, this shot was captured in the south of Chile, in a cold forest with a hostile climate. Not to mention that within the entire Chilean country, there are no primates. There is no jungle or wild apes in Chile. What is that then?
Claim nila yun. Kasi claim nila yun na walang ape, walang primate. Pero claim din nila na walang forest. Merong lugar bang walang forest? May bansa bang walang forest? Meron yan. Ano lang to, masyadong in-exaggerate lang yung video na to. Pero halata namang ano to. Halata namang mga unggoy ito, mga chimpanzee. Pinasyado lang in-exaggerate ito. Sinabi lang na walang primate sa kanila, walang gubad. Siyempre, para isipin, ano yun parang, ano tawag, psychological priming. Parang, tinatanim na niya sa inyo, itinanim na kagad sa inyo na hindi po pwedeng mangyari yun. Pero, ang totoo, meron talaga. Siyempre, para maniwala kayo sa sasabihin nila. Ganun yun. Pero halata naman. Ano to? Ape ito.
Without a doubt,
Ayan, no?
a clip that generates more doubts than certainties.
Nakita niya, Tsaka kung isipin nyo, kung talagang wala yan, masasyak yan. Kung makakita ng ganyan yan, masasyak yan. Hindi nga niya pinansin. Kumanan nga siya. Ibig sabihin, alam niya meron. Masasyak yan kung talagang sinasabing walang ape, walang primates yan. Masasyak yan. Tsaka magiging ano yan. Siguro magtatawag na ng mga kasamahan yan. Papakitan niya yan. Alam niya yan. Masyado na lang inexage yung story na lang. Itinanim na lang sa utak nila na wala, hindi pwedeng mangyari yun. In reality, pwede naman. Meron naman talaga.
Number 5. There is no doubt that in recent times, the strange phenomena that are occurring in the skies, and especially those related to the UFO issue, have entered a kind of media vortex due to the shocking recordings that have been published on social networks. Without going any further, there have been a couple of strange situations recorded on camera that I would like you to see.
Ano naman ito? Wow, ganda.
What you need to see here lies in this tiny spot. A strange oval shape on a building that is rapidly ascending at impossible speeds. Now, consider the date on which it was recorded. In 2008, when the technology to make 3D montages were resolved only for large studios. Could it still be fake? The way it rises and disappears catches my attention. That seems like a bad animation, but it could also be real. After all,
pwede, pero yung mga alien sightings naman is ano lang eh. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa naman napapatunayan. Puro claim lang, puro kwento. So, siguro dito ano to eh. Maaring hologram ito nung building eh. Anong year ba ito? 2000. Oh, meron na yun, meron na. Meron na mga ano yan. Siguro effects nung building yun. Or baka may nag-trip lang na gumawa ng video ng gano'n. Pwede naman. Kaya lang, wala pa kasing napapatunayan na sa mga alien eh. So baka mamaya ano lang yun ng building yun. Baka effects lang ng building yun. Katulad sa China ngayon, di ba may mga nakikita tayo sa China na yung building ay may mga moving animation na ano, minsan nga yung parang leon lumalabas doon sa building eh. So, gano'ng kagaling yung mga ano, yung mga gumagawa nun. So, ito, siguro 2008, mga hologram pa yan eh. Pwede yan, mga hologram. Hindi ko sinasabing fake ha. Mali mo nga naman, may na-capture silang ganon. Pero tingnan muna natin yung ano, mga possible na pwedeng mangyari. Pwedeng gawin. Kasi ang claim naman kasi sa alien is puro ano lang eh. Puro wento, puro claim lang. Wala naman napapatunayan pa.
Who knows for certain what advanced technology looks like? Look at this second recording. The title of this video says, Real UFO Crashing. At first, I thought it might be a huge bullet deflecting when it hits the ground. But in the end, bullets like this don't explode into 1,000 pieces. Also notice how it tries to change its orientation before impact. It is as if it tried to put the body of the UFO first, instead of the nose. Look at the speed at which it is going. Any of our ships would have broken into 1,000 pieces with the first impact.
Boom.
It is almost impossible for it to bounce like that. So far, no official body, such as the Army or NASA, has commented on this footage. They do not deny it, but they don't confirm it either.
Yun ang hirap eh, Siguro, may mga natutuklasan na sila na na mga alien sightings, mga UFO sightings. Pero ganito kasi para siguro hindi magkagulo yung mga tao, hindi magkaroon ng panic. Siguro tinatago nila. Ewan ko for me hindi ko alam. Ano kasi yun it's a matter of national security kasi yun Kaya nakita nyo hindi nila kino-confirm. Hindi rin naman nila dinideny. Pero nakita naman natin sa video na para siyang spaceship na bumagsak. Na bumalabalandra pa. Sumabog pa nga So, hindi nila dinideny. Hindi ko alam kung anong dahilan ng mga expert dyan. Siguro, ayaw nila magkaroon ng Ayaw nila magkaroon ng panic. Alien panic, ganun. Kaya siguro, inaano lang nila. Pero hindi naman nila ma-deny kasi may mga video. Hindi rin naman nila ma-confirm. So, bahala na sila doon. It's a matter of national security kasi yun. Pero mukha naman totoo yung video niya.
Why do they act this way? What are they trying to hide? As you can see, an issue that is becoming increasingly latent among the population. Number 4. What do you imagine the paranormal looks like? If it were to happen to you, how do you think it would manifest itself to you? Of all the things you imagined, I bet you would never imagine something like this.
Ano yan? Uy! Ano yan? Isa pa.
This video comes to us from Guatemala at the hands
Guatemala.
of Mike Argueta, a faithful subscriber of the channel. He says that he has seen this clip several times and cannot give it an explanation. What in the world is that strange creature?
Panga.
Faithful subscriber of the channel. He says that he has seen this clip several times and cannot give it an explanation. What in the world is that strange creature?
Parang parang tao na nakatalokbong ng puting kumot na tumatakbo. Slow mo natin
What in the world is that strange creature?
Ayan may paa pa nga Hop, ayun tumatakbo. Ayun may paa. Nakatalokbong siya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit siya tumatakbo nakatalokbong. Tao to. Baka may tinataguan. Sa akin for me tao to Ayun Bilis pa nga tumakbo Kita-kita paa. Nawala siya sa dilim. Ano yan? For me tao yan na nakatalokbong ng itim na kumot. Kasi kung ano yan, kung totoo yan, takot na yun ng babae dito sa unahan. May anino nga yung paa eh. Tao yan. Hindi ko alam kung sino tinataguan niya. Baka ano eh. Baka mamaya babae ito or lalaki na nahuli ni misis ng bababae. Baka ganun. Or babae, nahuli ni mister na may lalaki. Parang ganun. Kaya nagkumot, tumakbo palabas. Tao yan.
Mike says there were other cameras at the scene, but none of them recorded what this one captured. It is not a person wearing a coat, but a lump without a
Ayun, may paa
defined
pa nga.
shape,
Oh, yun. Anino ng
something
paa.
that seems to run in a practically
Bilis, oh.
cartoonish way.
Oh, ayan
Could
na si
this have
misis.
been why
Bilisan mo.
the young woman was running? What could it be?
Ayan na si mister.
Comment below.
Takbo. Nakahuli ka ni mister.
Number 3. In this position, we find what appears to be a video
Ano sabi
of
mo
a
ako din?
patient who was in bed.
Baka ang duda ko nga, parang babae eh. Parang nahuli siya ng mister niya. Ayun. Eh, hindi na makapagdamit. Nagtalokbong lang ng kumot na itim. Saka nagtatakbo. Nagtatakbo sa parking area.
And unable to move, that is tormented by something impossible.
Uy, putak na may nakadungaw. Oh shit. Huwag ka. Uy, nawala. Uy, takinang yun.
Behind the door, the silhouette of a mysterious being lies facing him. It even
Natin. Ayun, no?
opens the door, causing true panic in the petrified person who expected the worst. However, fortunately for the patient, the presence simply fades away, never to appear again. Many on social networks say that it could be another patient. However, the person clarifies that that area is completely restricted and only visitors or authorized personnel have access to it,
Parang ano siya eh. Duda ko nurse ito eh.
which is why its presence is completely incomprehensible. So what could he have come
Parang
across?
meron siyang nasa tuktok ng ulo niya.
Questions that to this day
O, pwede naman maging ano yan. Kasi, ang nakita ko lang red flag dito, parang hindi naman natakot yung kumukuha ng camera. Di ba? Kasi kung ang totoong na-shock dyan, sisigaw yan. Yay! Mga ganun. Totoong na-shock talaga sa multo. Nung nakakita ng multo. Baka mamaya himatayin pa yan. Parang wala namang effect sa kanya. Tsaka siguro ang theory ko dito mamaya siguro tinitingnan siya nung nurse. Tapos dahan-dahan siyang binubuksan yung pinto. O tapos may nakalimutan yung nurse. Umalis. So pagbukas ng pinto, wala na siya. Pwede yung ganon. Or may nagbibiro sa kanya. Kasi hindi naman pinakita yung labas eh. Ang pinakita lang naman yung pintong bumukas. So, maaaring nagtago sa gilid yun. Pagkabukas ng dahan-dahan nun. Maaaring nasa gilid dito yan. Nasa gilid. Maaaring nandito yan sa gilid. Pagbukas ng dahan-dahan. Or, yung una kong sinasabi, na baka mamaya tinecheck siya nung nurse. Kasi kung napansin ko, parang meron siyang sa ulo. Anyway, ngayon, hindi naman yata sinusuot ng nurse yun. Hindi ko alam Kapatid ko nurse, pero hindi ko alam. Parang tinitingnan siya, dinadahan-dahan yung pinto. Tapos, siguro may nakakalimutan yung nurse. bumalik, umalis. So, pagbukas, wala na yung Pwedeng gano'n, ha? Hindi ko naman sinasabing fake ito. Baka nga naman mamaya, may totoo yan. Ako, sinasabi ko lang yung pwedeng mangyari.
Remains unanswered. Number 2. The following are one of those subtleties that you must be very attentive to capture. Insight that, fortunately for us, Andres Ospina, one of our subscribers, had at the right time. In his email, he says that a few days ago, a big fire occurred at a bus station. This led to the entire infrastructure being closed to everyone. However, days later, and when Andres was recording a short video of how the facilities had turned out, his visual acuity revealed something absolutely inexplicable. What is it about? I'll leave you with the clip to see if you can capture it first.
Ano yun? Nasaan?
Did you see it? Although it is true that the image passes very quickly, you just have to pause it a little to notice
Ito?
the presence of a person inside the station. The dark figure of a person who lies there as if waiting for the next bus to pass. Look at his posture. Look at his size. Is that normal? Also notice that rather than a person, it seems more like a shadow, a completely dark being. I would even dare to say, charred. What was he doing there if the station was supposedly closed? Could it be a ghost? Tell me what you think.
Hindi, baka nag-aabang siya. Or diyan siya namatay. Pwede naman. Pero kung titingnan natin ito, obviously naman, silhouette ito ng tao. So siguro, kaya lang siguro ganyan yung nakuhanan nila. Siguro, masyadong mabilis yung masyadong mabilis yung bus. So, duda ko, naka-all black ito eh. Tapos, sa sobrang bilis nung bus na nasasakyan. So, naging shadow na lang, naging shadow figure na lang siya. So, pero duda ko talaga nag-aabang talaga dyan yan. So, sobrang bilis lang siguro ng bus. Kaya, nagmukha siyang shadow. May gano'n naman talaga eh. So, at saka bakit ano yung camera na to? Bakit may camera yan? Para saan yung camera?
Number 1.
Camera sa loob ng bus? Wala to. Sa akin for me nag-aabang talaga yun. Pwede naman kung pipilit nila na anino yun na namatay doon, hindi bahala kayo.
For this last footage, I ask you to think back and remember a video that we had already shown some time ago. A clip that literally showed the disaster that an entity was carrying out in a fast food establishment. Do you remember it?
Uy! Taris. Nangyari?
At the time, we commented that both customers, but above all, employees, were literally terrified by the incomprehensibility of the situations that were occurring there. However, this was not the only situation captured on camera that day. There were many more events that occurred. Situations where even several employees were forced to resign. They simply could not tolerate the demonstrations that, for example, you will see below.
Hitain na. Uy, putres. Uy, putres. Uy, putres. Gumalaw yung mga upuan. Oh. May kausap siya.
Inexplicable movements of chairs, and even the interaction of one of the employees with what she believed was one of her clients.
Ayun,
However, apparently all of this seemed to come from a fairly high concentration of paranormal activity from which this establishment has not been able to escape. Will this
Toyota.
restaurant continue to operate normally? Have they done
Uy,
anything
uy.
about it? If you know the answers, leave it in the comment box, as this video has come to an end. My name is Leonor Clay.
Pwede naman. Kasi, teka lang, di ba para pag marami ng tao, di ba dapat hindi na tatambayan ng mga espiritu yun, mga poltergeist na gano'n. Hindi ko alam Tsaka doon sa babae parang may kinakausap siya no. Meron pa nga siya parang inabot na ewan ko kung ano inabot niya. Invisible din yata yun. Baka naman may nagtitrip. Hindi kasi restaurant yun fast food Pwede naman, kaya lang wala natin, totoo yun. May mga poltergeist naman talaga Hindi naman natin sinasantabi yung mga poltergeist. Pero I don't think na magpaparamdam sila sa ganung environment na maraming tao, maraming pumupunta. So anyway, kayo na bahala. Pero sa akin, parang iniisip ko parang may nagbibiro Hindi ko alam na yun lang nasa isip ko. So, yun. Maraming salamat kay Darkest Secret sa kanyang mga incredible videos. So, shout out Team Green Minded na sa baba. Maraming salamat. Bye.